Well, look who it is. Little Joe Jr.
My mom asked me, she said, I'm surprised people don't call him Joe Jr. I'm like, why would they? And she's like, oh, I want to. I think I might.
Hi. You can't take your eyes off of me, huh? He's like, oh, I see that phone.
And he's got her ear. Can you record from back here? I'm too close.
It's okay, Gemma.
Get a close up of that.
It's okay.
Oh, shit.